So even if you don't know how to make wig at all, you don't know how to twist, but you want to make something like this, so stay tuned. Let me teach you how you can easily make this kind of twist. You see the way it is? How you can easily make this without twisting. So, and before I start, let me show you the one I twisted, the twisted hair. So you can see the difference between this. So this is the hair, the ones that I twisted, and this is the one I don't twist. See, there's a difference. See, there's a difference. Like if you look at here, here, and here, you will see a big difference. So, and see, like this. So I'm going to explain between this and this, the one I choose to make at the end of this week. So subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, so you'll be able to know how I explain this hairstyle. So now I'm going to show you how you can easily make this wig without twisting. So first, sorry guys, my chair is making noise. So now when you are done with your crochet, this is the wig. I bought it just like this. So when you are done putting your hair here, you secure it. See, no matter what happened, it's not going off. So when you are done securing it, that's why I said watch this video so you know how to secure it like this and how to twist. So now it's like this, because we put it to be 1, later it will be 2. So you want to twist, you want to make this hair, but you can't twist. So this is what you just need to do. So my advice is, this hairstyle, this particular wig is kicking coil. You can do kicking coil, or there's another one, I forgot the name. If I remember, I will write it. And I think a Mali twist. Yeah, I think it's Mali twist, either Mali twist, yes. So kicking coil, afro, kicking coil, Mali twist. It is good for this kind of hair. If you don't know how to twist at all, you've not twisted in your life before, you just want to do something like this. This is what you do. See this hair? You see this? The hair already has some kind of wave. See this way? So we're going to take advantage of this wave that this hair have, you know, for your own twisting. So what you all need to do, take each part that you want to twist, straighten it a little, make it smooth this way, just like so, and do this also this side like so. All you need to do, cross it. You see, cross it. I'm not twisting it. See, I'm just crossing it, just like so. I'm just crossing it. When you see that it's not smooth enough, you're smoothing it. See, I'm not twisting it at all. I just crossing it. I hope you can see that. Let me see if I'm showing it well. Yeah. So you see, just like so. You see, I'm not twisting it at all. Just like so. I'm not twisting. I'm just riding it. So because of that's why I say you should use this kind of hair, because of the wave. So they are entering there. So what you do, secure it to make it a little bit tighter. So you continue. As you can see, if I have to twist it now, I have to like, see, like this. But I'm not twisting it. I'm just keep doing it this way. Just keep rounding it, you know. Keep doing it. See. Just keep rounding it. Keep rounding it. Don't twist it like this. That's why I'm just trying to open my hands as possible as I can, so you can be able to follow up with what I'm doing right now. So see, let me push it a little bit forward. So you see, like this, you see, like this. no twisting, just keep rounding it. You see now, if here is kind of big, if you see that it's too big, tighten it a little, then continue rounding it. Continue, just keep doing it. Keep doing it. See? Just like so. Like so. So, see? Keep rounding it. Keep rounding it. Just keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. When you get to the tip, you might be wondering, how am I going to close the tip? This is a kiki afro. It's very easy. The hair itself is very easy to close. So just keep, you see, I'm still not twisting it. I just had it from the other side because the other side was getting too small. So you see, so when you get here, just do it this way, this way, this way. Use your hand to roll it. It's secured. So that's it. See how it is? So you see, I look as if we twisted it, but we didn't. So this is the hairstyle I decided to make for myself. Also this one, I twisted it because I was using to teach tutorial how to twist hair. You see the difference? See the difference between this and this, just to be sure that you understand. So after it's like this, see the way it is now? Then I'm just trying to separate it like this. So like I said, smoothing it, make sure it's smooth. Although the hair naturally is not smooth, but just to make it a little bit better. So see, we're going to continue again. See what I'm doing now? Okay, like this. See, you can also just leave it. You can also just leave it. Just see, take this one down, take this one down. See why I'm doing it now, for you to see that I am not twisting any hair here. So just that one wastes time more. Just keep holding. Take this one, transfer it. Take the other one, transfer it. Take the other one, transfer it. Just keep transferring it this way. Keep transferring it. Keep doing it. Keep going. Keep going. So just keep going. You don't know how to twist, you can make this hair. You can do it. You can. You see, just keep rolling it. Keep rolling it. If you want it, if you want it tiny, you can do it tinier than mine, because there are some wig like this. They come more scanty. So when you want to order it this way, you look for, if you like scanty hair, you look for scanty, the one that is not much, you know, which is the pattern is bigger than this one. So you see, just keep rolling it. 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 See how I'm doing it? I just keep rolling it. I'm not twisting. I just keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. So if there's anyone that look like they are tangled, straighten it. Keep rolling it. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Just keep. See, I'm not twisting it. Just like this. Then this is the end. See? So now, see how it is? Yeah, it's super nice. So it's just so easy. So you want to make this kind of wig, feel free to buy your hair, and yeah, instead of you to pay money to someone that will make it for you, can just do it and it will come out, trust me, it will come out so well. So it's not everything you have to be paying for. You see, now we are done. See, so subscribe if you're not subscribed, and if it's your first time coming across my channel, my name is Susan of 4 girls living in Germany. Bye. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me in other of my social media platforms, TikTok account, Facebook and Instagram. They are all in my comment section. Thank you so much and for your support. I hope this video suits you well. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you don't get it at the first time, just keep doing it. I know and I believe that you will get what you want. All right, thank you so much and bye for now.